Hello, everybody, and welcome to GQuat Traditions. This is our May 5th update for the Planter Garden HGC 2025. We started this journey on March 5th, 2025. What we have planted from seed, the plants are ashwagandha, oregano, sage, lavender, rosemary, dill, basil, thyme, cilantro, borage, mullein, yarrow, peppermint, holy basil, lemon balm, Jamaican echinacea, moringa. I also planted ginger, avocado, and aloe vera. Started sweet potatoes from scratch. Then I went in and I planted hot peppers from seed in the Arrow Garden 2025, pumpkin spice pepper, mystery peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Oh, cayenne peppers and a mystery pepper. I plant not just for challenges, I plant for what I want to eat, and it doesn't matter what the challenges are. I'm just doing me. And I don't expect to win. I'm doing it so I can share the gardening pursuits of a 75-year-old disabled senior who is still in love with gardening, still planting, and so can you. I'm trying to just simply encourage others to do the same thing. Look at that sweet potato. That's a different type of potato than I've ever grown. I have moved some of them outside. However, I live in Connecticut 6B, and I can't take everything out. Some of them might even die. There's the lavender. And I'm going on a family vacation for a month. I'm going to visit some family members. So I will have somebody water the plants outside. I will try to leave water and food for the ones inside. Que sera, sera. I'll be back in June, and I'll keep kicking the can forward. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. Peace, love, and blessings.